In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your SEO metadata, which is important information to have. This is the title page. So if you wanted to come in here and call it My Sales Funnel, you can do that. Change the description, give a description of your product, especially if you're going to have a sales funnel long term and want Google to show that on the search results. You're going to want to put relevant information in here, and we will put relevant information, and then your keywords. Google really doesn't look for keywords and meta tags anymore, but you can add them there. Your name, that's important for indexing with Google, and then the social image, the image that'll show up when you share it on Facebook. This is actually very important stuff, especially when you're advertising on Facebook, because Facebook's going to show what you have in this box and this information here. So if you notice, by default it says page description, and actually it says JSON homepage here, but you're going to want to make sure that you put some different information in here before you go running an ad on Facebook.